Introducing the Rexing V1P dashcam. First, place the included 3M tape onto the back of the camera mount. Orient the mount squarely between the roof and hood line of the vehicle and press firmly for 20 seconds to attach to the windshield. Attach the rear camera to the center top of the rear windshield using the included 3M tape. Attach the included camera cable to the rear camera, then run cable along the top of the vehicle's roofline, using the provided tool to hide the wire under roof panel and trim until it reaches the front camera. Insert a Class 10 UHS 1 or higher micro SD card into the memory card opening. Gently push the card in until you hear a click. Connect the power cord to your vehicle's 12-volt DC power outlet. With the micro SD card inserted, power on the device. Use the settings button and arrow keys to navigate the menu and select Format. Tap Yes and press OK to confirm selection. Place the dash camera onto the mount. Connect power and rear camera cables to camera. Carefully run the power cable around the windshield, hiding any remaining cables under the roof panel and trim. The Rexing dashcam is now ready to automatically start recording once powered on.